Okay, people, I don't know for sure if this is working, but it looks like it's working. I am running Linux on my same laptop, the laptop I've been using with Windows 10. I have Linux on it now, but I still have Windows 10 on it. I'm using Q4OS. I watched a video on YouTube about it, and it is a Linux distribution that can install with inside Windows, so that you reboot your computer and you're given an option to boot into either Windows or Linux. It's like Woobi was for Ubuntu. Like for a while, you could do this with Ubuntu Linux. You could just install it within Windows and then reboot into it without having to erase Windows. Well, apparently they did that now for Debian using Q4OS. Okay, so it looks like I'm recording, so I'm going to show you. Here's my desktop. It's very basic. I only have one desktop icon, the console, and it lets me create things. It's just like Windows, really. I mean, open with Dolphin. What is Dolphin? I don't even know what Dolphin is. Oh, Dolphin is like the file manager? Cool. Okay. So one thing I want to show you is I actually have access to my entire Windows hard drive here. And this here is where Debian is installed. So I wonder if there's a way, because I'm totally new to the interface here. View mode, details. Okay. So here is there's the root disk. So the whole thing is stored on a file, which is basically X's disk, and we even have a swap disk. And here's even the grub boot menu stuff. Okay. Anyway, so here's the thing, is that I'm totally new to this Linux distribution, and one of the first things I did was I installed OBS, which is Open Broadcaster software, but it's just called OBS. Okay, so here is like the start menu. Now let's see, if I right click on it, it shows stuff, but yeah, okay, but if I just left click on it, we see all these things. So, oh funny, it shows a funny little picture there. It doesn't actually have a photo of me. It probably lets me change that. Ooh, choose from gallery. I can choose, oh cool. Oh look, I can change my face to one of these pre-selected pictures. So we've got, okay, can I make this bigger? Yeah, I want to make this bigger so I can actually read this stuff. I think that's supposed to be Ada Lovelace, Alice in Wonderland, Leonardo, Mahatma. What in the world? Oh, there's cat, female. What? Whoa, there's all these. Oh, there's zebra. I like the zebra. Yeah, I mean these are all cool. I mean these are all amazing looking things. And of course, if I really wanted, I could probably use some other picture that I could design myself. But let's go with the zebra, because the zebra is a horse and it represents me. Okay, that's cool. Oh, cool. Ah, enable administrator privileges for this user. Yeah, I am the only user, so I'm the administrator. Oh yeah, this is so cool. Okay, so I'm gonna put in my email address here. I'm not sure. I don't think this is required, but Chastity White Rose. Yep, at gmail.com. Cool. All right. Okay, and it's asking for my password, and of course I know my password, and it doesn't show you my password. Okay. All right. Sweet. Okay, so we have a lot of stuff. So this is favorites. I didn't set these up as favorites. This is all default settings because I just installed this. So what do we have here? We have a GUI version of Emacs, we have a text editor version of Emacs. And I don't know how to use Emacs, so I'm going to stay away from that. I installed Emacs on purpose, though, in case I learn it. So let's see here. We have all common places. Very interesting. Let's see. Search for videos. Let's see. What do we got here? Yeah, I don't. Yeah, this is all very new to me. Now, this is super cool, and I really hope this video is recording properly and I can upload it because I want you guys to be able to see this. This is just amazing stuff. Okay, so okay, let's go to games. So we have car games and we have solitaire. Play many different solitaire games. Now I'm not gonna play a full game of solitaire. I just want to load this and ooh, it's Klondike Solitaire. Cool. All right. Awesome. Yeah. Okay. I know how to do solitaire. Okay. So here's the thing. Now, I don't know everything this has. It has a lot of stuff, and I can always install more. Um, but it's very tricky here because there's just so many applications here. Let's see, multimedia. That's where Open Broadcaster software. I've got a music player. Oh man, this is a cool operating system. It's got everything. So let's go back to all applications. We've got utilities, and as you see, the terminal console I already put on the desktop so I can quickly access it. And there's even a yeah, okay, yeah, this is cool. Oh, Synaptic Package Manager. Let's see here what this is. Okay, yeah. All right, so let's see here. This is just amazing. Okay, yeah, I've used Synaptic Package Manager before. Okay, I know the drill. Okay, so here's the thing. I'm going to show you. This is the easy way to install things on Ubuntu or Debian systems. So, okay, first of all, what I'm going to show you, okay, we've got all kinds of graphical things. Like, for example, okay, let's look for image magic. Let's see what we've got. Let's see, it's probably in here somewhere. Yeah, let's see what we've got. Okay, we've got graphics magic and there's image magic. Now it has some interesting stuff. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff here. This is cool stuff. But let's see from the terminal because now GM, yeah, graphics magic with GM, but let's see, magic or convert. Interesting. When I do convert, it actually uses convert for graphics magic is what it does. But when I do magic, because I used to use these command line tools a lot on Windows as well, but really it's more of a type of thing for, okay, oh, well, okay, here I am. So I'm going to install image magic here. Oh, well, it wants to remove that to install that. I don't necessarily want to remove graphics magic though. No, I'll leave it as is. I don't want to screw anything up because it probably will serve my image conversion needs. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. Let's look for SuperTux. SuperTux, okay? This is exciting. Oh, sweet. We've got SuperTux and we have SuperTux Cart, which I have not been able to play yet. Okay, so let's mark this for installation and it will install those things. And then let's mark this for installation and let's install all this stuff. Now the cool thing is I can apply these changes and install all of that stuff. Because I actually do have Xfinity Internet, it's actually very fast. Let's see, I have a wired Ethernet connection. My laptop is plugged in by Ethernet directly to my modem here. So I have a reasonably fast internet. So it will probably only take a few minutes to install these packages. And then I'm going to show you gameplay of SuperTux. And then I'm going to go back after I end the video and install some more packages because this is really amazing. I now have a working Linux operating system on my laptop, and it's exciting because I want to see. Compiling SDL programs I was writing on Windows, and I was starting to learn OpenGL, But now I'm going to see if I can compile the same programs I have working on Windows inside of Linux here. And I can reboot into Windows again if I need to. But running Linux could actually be faster for my programming, much more productive. And also, because I still have access through the file manager, I can view my entire Windows directories. I can totally do stuff. I can access my same source code. I don't have to copy it somewhere else, who knows where. So let's see here. Right now it's installing these things, and I'm just going to wait for it to install. I want you to see the whole process of this while I just keep talking about Linux and how cool it is. Yeah, Synaptic is a cool package manager. There are other ways to install things from the command line, like how I installed the GCC compiler I just did apt install GCC. But it is quicker to just, click on all the stuff in the package manager that you want to install. And then it says, well, this package depends on this, or it conflicts with that. But the thing is, you can install things in Linux faster than you can install things on Windows, because on Windows, if you want to install something, you either have to go to the store, Windows store that takes forever to open and crashes sometimes, or you have to go to some website, download some exe file, and then you click on it, and it's like, are you sure you want to allow this to, make changes to your computer? And I'm like, yeah, and then it installs, and come on, it's so much quicker. Unfortunately, my screen is still going dim because this laptop, as cool as it is that I have Linux installed on it, is not going to last that long. So it's sad. I know it eventually will die. Either that or I have to pay to replace the battery, and I just don't know. But I actually did order myself a Pinebook Pro, which will mean I'll have a brand new laptop with Linux pre-installed on it, which is going to be super cool. So now, okay, so we installed all of that. So let's try something now. Let's try SuperTux. Interesting. The SuperTux doesn't run from here. Maybe it's under something else. Okay, let's go to our applications and our games. Arcade. Oh, it's probably SuperTux 2. Let me see here. I want to see, I just want to see what it's called. Okay, SuperTux 2. So technically it's SuperTux 2 is what it is. And one thing I'm going to do is, while I'm at it, I'm going to go to my multimedia, and I'm going to add my OBS software to the desktop so I can quickly record videos whenever I feel like. And let's see, am I still recording? I am still recording, people, and I've only been doing this for less than 14 minutes. Okay, now I'm going to show you. Let's go and let's run these games here. Okay, SuperTux 2. Let's see if this works. This is going to be faster than it would have been on Windows. I can feel it. Oh yeah, here we are. Story mode and contrib levels. Okay, story mode. Let's try this out. Oh, they changed the music since I played this game Penguin was still a violent villain, and now you, the penguin, have to go save your girlfriend. Yeah. Let's see. I don't remember the controls. Okay, wait. I need to. Let's look at the controls. Okay, so what's the keyboard setup? Okay, so we've got up, down, left, right, space, and left control. Yeah, peak left is delete, peak right is page down. All of those types of weird keys. Home and end. Oh, freaky. And then jump with up. Yeah, let's see here, yeah. Yeah, freaky. Okay, yeah, let's see here. It's been a long time since I played this. Okay, bonus blocks, yeah. Okay, yeah. Basically, this is just like Super Mario Brothers. And I'm not very good at controlling it. Yeah, let's see here. Whoa. The graphics and scrolling in here is really freaky. Now, I can tell it's lagging just a little bit. I'm sure that's because I'm trying to record videos at the same time. But still, you gotta admit it's faster than I've been on Windows. Yeah, this is the lovely thing. Ooh, look, I've got a fireman now. Oh, cool. Yeah, I can shoot. Oh, and the snowballs and stuff, like they Oh, you like a... Oh, cool. You can break bricks by smashing them. Oh, crap. I landed in the spikes. Okay, yeah, there's a secret area. See the arrow pointing to the secret area? I found a secret area. Yeah. Yeah. Oh man, that is so cool. Okay, yeah. Anyway, you get the idea. Running Linux is super cool. It's faster than Windows. I have access to practically infinite games and programming software. So I'm going to have some fun with this Linux distribution. I hope this has inspired some other people to try out Q4OS because it's not too hard to install it. You can install it within Windows. Don't have to burn a CD or anything. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.